Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. You know how much effort you put into learning skills like driving, cooking, or even gaming. Now imagine if you channeled that same energy into mastering the art of oral sex. This isn't just about technique. It's about confidence, communication, and truly connecting with her on a whole new level. Stick with me. Because by the time this video ends, you'll have everything you need to give her an unforgettable experience. Even if you're a total beginner. Why this matters? Here's why this is important. When done right, oral sex isn't just physical. It's an emotional and psychological experience that builds trust, intimacy, and connection. The truth is, most women don't get the satisfaction they deserve because their partners don't know what they're doing, or they're too nervous to try. But that's not going to be you. Today we're breaking it all down step by step, so you can give her pleasure that she'll never forget. Preparation. Setting the scene. Let's start with the basics. Preparation. Believe it or not, the environment plays a huge role in her comfort level. Is the room clean? Is the lighting soft? Are you creating a space where she can feel relaxed and confident? These little things might not seem important, but trust me, they make a difference. Think of it like setting the stage for a great performance. If the stage is a mess, the show can't go on. Imagine going to a restaurant but the table is dirty, the lighting is harsh and the vibe is off. You're probably not going to enjoy the meal, right? The same applies here. Comfort and ambience. Set the tone. Step 2. Communication. Knowing what she wants. Before you even begin, have a conversation. This isn't a test of your psychic abilities. It's about understanding her preferences. Ask questions like, what do you like? Or what makes you feel good? The key here is to approach it with confidence, not hesitation. Women appreciate a partner who's eager to learn and please. Step 3. Starting slow. Building anticipation. Once you're in the moment, don't dive in head first like you're racing to a finish line. Start slow. Begin with kisses. On her neck, her stomach, her thighs. Build the tension. This isn't about being predictable. It's about creating anticipation. When you take your time, you're telling her that she's worth every second of your attention. Here's the science behind this. Elicitation triggers dopamine, the brain's pleasure hormone. By building up to the main event, you're not just tightening her physical pleasure. You're creating a psychological connection that makes her crave more. Step 4. Mastering the technique. Now, let's talk technique. The clitoris is your best friend. It has thousands of nerve endings. But it's incredibly sensitive. Start gently. Use your tongue to trace small soft circles around the area. Don't apply too much pressure right away. Let her body guide you. Pay attention to how she reacts. Her breathing, her moans, her movements. These are your cues. Think of it like learning to play a musical instrument. You don't start with the hardest song on the highest volume. You learn the basics, feel the rhythm, and build up to the crescendo. Step 5. Using your hands. Don't forget your hands. They're to enhance the experience, not distract from it. While your tongue is working its magic. Use your hands to caress her thighs, hips, or even gently explore inside if she's comfortable. Combine sensations to keep things dynamic. Step 6. Listening to her feedback. This is where most people go wrong. They're too focused on what they think works instead of paying attention to what she actually wants. Her body will tell you everything if you listen. Is she pulling you closer? Stay consistent. Is she tensing up or moving away? Adjust your technique. This isn't about ego. It's about connection. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's cover some mistakes you absolutely need to avoid. Don't be rough unless she specifically asks for it. Don't rush. Don't ignore her responses. And whatever you do, Don't treat oral sex like a task. If you're not mentally present, she'll feel it. And it'll ruin the moment. Step 7. Finishing strong. Here's the final step. When you feel she's close to climaxing, stay consistent. Don't switch up the rhythm. Don't try to experiment. Just keep doing what's working. Consistency is key, and when she reaches that peak, let her enjoy it. Be there for her. That's the moment she'll remember most. Questions and answers. 1. What if I don't know if she's enjoying it? Answer. Pay attention to her body language. If she's moaning, breathing heavily, or pulling you closer, you're on the right track. If she seems tense or quiet, ask her gently, do you like this? 2. How do I build confidence as a beginner? Answer. Confidence comes from preparation. Watch educational content like this. Communicate with her and practice. Remember she's with you because she likes you, so don't overthink it. 3. What if I mess up? Answer. Relax. Nobody gets it perfect the first time. What matters is your willingness to learn and improve. If something doesn't work, adjust and keep going. If you want to level up in all areas of your life, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more daily updates from us. Thanks for watching.